In today's video, we will be going over modes of prokaryotic transcriptional regulation of genes, but more specifically, the positive repressible control. Positive control is when the regulatory protein, an activator, binds to DNA to stimulate transcription. Repressible control is when the small molecule, the effector, is present and does not allow for transcription to occur. Essentially, it is turning off the transcription in this case. Here we have our operon. It is composed of a promoter region, an operator region, and structural genes. In positive control, the activator protein will bind to the DNA. RNA polymerase will recognize this protein and bind to the promoter region, moving down the operon and carrying out transcription. The process of transcription will form the small molecule, the effector. In repressible control, transcription is normally on and is turned off when a small molecule binds to the regulatory protein, our activator. The small molecule will attach to the regulatory protein, changing its shape and preventing it from attaching to the DNA. RNA polymerase does not see the activator bound to DNA and therefore does not bind to the promoter region. This turns transcription off. To make this easier to understand, we can use an analogy. Say I want to go for a hike, but in order to go for a hike, I need nice weather and a good trail. In this case, we will compare hiking to the process of transcription. It is sunny and 70 degrees outside, the perfect weather. This is our activator. When I am hiking, I see a family of bears blocking the trail. I'm obviously not going to try to pass them, so I turn around and my hike is over. The bears in this scenario were the small molecule, the effector, that prevented me from hiking. To reiterate, the positive control in this scenario was the nice weather that allowed me to hike up the trail. The family of bears were the small molecule that I encountered while hiking, and the action of hiking itself was the process of transcription. These are my references. All images were drawn by myself.